Morphology of flowering plant. Flower has four most important parts: calyx, corolla, pistil and stamen. The pistil is the female part, it is also called gynoecium, and stamen is the male part, that is called ANDROECIUM. That means the calyx that are made up of sepals, corolla that are made of petals, ANDROECIUM that is the male part stamen that produces pollen grain, and gynoecium that is the female part made up of carpel that produces ovum. Type of sepals. There are basically two type of sepals, gamosepalous and polysepalous. Gamo means fused and poly means separated. Then type of petals. In the same way, there are two type of petals, that is polypetalous and gamopetalous. Poly means all the petals are separated. Gamo means they are all fused together. Estivation, arrangement of petals in a flower. It is of five types: velvet, twisted, imbricate, quinquenal and vexillary. Type of ANDROECIUM. ANDROECIUM, some terms related to it: stamenoid, that is for sterile stamen, where the stamen is not producing any pollen grain at all, then it is stamenoid. Then epipetalous, when the petal and the anther, they are combined together, they are joined together. Epiphyllous, that is when it is combined, the anther is joined to the petals or to the sepals. Then monoadelphous, then that means all the anthers, they are combined to one. And di, when all of them are combined in two groups. Poly, when all are separated, there are many. Poly means many, such as in citrus plants. Type of gynoecium. Gynoecium again is of two types. First is that is fused and the other that is separated. Apocarpus, as it makes separate carpels, and syncarpus, it comprises of fused carpels. You can see in the diagram, the left front side is syncarpus that are fused together and apocarpus that are separated. Placentation, arrangement of ovule in the ovary. According to the diagram, you can see there are five types of placentation: marginal, axial, parietal, free central and basal placentation. In the basal, you see only one seed is present at the base. Free central, all in the center but in a free manner. Parietal, that means that they are towards the outer boundary. As you can see in this diagram also, you can see two here, axial, in which they are in a proper manner in the center. This is an example of sunflower in which the placentation is basal. This is kiwi, free central. You can see the seeds are present in irregular manner. This is an example of axial. It is divided in a proper manner attached to the center. This is parietal, in which you can see they are attached, seeds are attached to the parietal part of the ovary. Next is the example of a pea, in which you can clearly see the seeds attached to marginal part of the ovary. Now let's discuss some questions to check your understanding.